Hey everyone, it is Andrea. Today I am coming at you with the new releases for this week. All of these releases go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's go ahead and get into them because there's actually quite a bit releasing this week. So let's start at the bottom first. So first thing here is a Destash cello, and this Destash cello has 10 new format foil bundles. So it could have basically like different foil bundles as well. But this is just an example as always. So it's going to be new format bundles though. So this is an example of like what you could get, but it also could include different foil bundles, but it's going to be 10 of the new format foil bundles. And this is relatively limited and it's going to be $50. So that is like $5 a foil bundle. And if you use a coupon, it's even cheaper. So that is an awesome deal for the 6-page foil bundle. So this is an example. So this one has Hollow Y2K, Mixed Metal Luxe. Is this Lavender Hollow or Rose? Lavender Hollow? Rose? Rose. Rose, Sparkle, Celestial, like a gold bokeh, Hollow Luxe, then the Tropical and Gold and Silver. This like Hollow Pink Hearts, Rose, Floral, and then a pink or a Magenta Star bundle. So those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and they are limited. So if you want to get your hands on some discounted new format foil bundles, that will be the time. Then we also do have some new characters this week. I don't have any new Scribblers this week, but those will be coming soon. This is 34, 35, and 36. So first things first is you have some Santas. Then there is the Grinch, and then also some elves, and the elves are all 6. Like all 5, 6, and then it just repeats throughout. So I thought that was really, really cute. Love those. Then there is Doodles 6/21 through 6/30. The Christmas and Hanukkah Doodles will be coming next week if you were looking for those. So here is the razor. Then a purse. Oh, I was actually looking for this one. I actually wrote a note because I was like, where did the audiobook one go? Because I like formatted these like forever ago. I just haven't released them yet. So I was looking for these. So you have the audiobook, the fork and knife on the plate, the humidifier, the makeup brushes in the hand, lotion bottles, the drink with ice, and then the mixing bowl and a coffee or cocoa mug. Then I also do have the color of the week, which I feel like this color of the week I had, like, it's like a future plan. If you bought, like, it's going to match something in the future, so you might want to pick it up. But I think it also really matches the kit that's coming out this week called Birthday Queen, which I'm going to be using for my birthday. But basically, this is like a fun kind of rainbow-esque sparkle. So let me just flip through you so you can kind of see the colors. Just like a sparkle with like different speckles of this like rainbow color up top. But I think it is so cute. But I think it'll match so many spreads that you want to use rainbow with. Like I might actually need this for Level Up, and then for this kit, and then for the kits that I actually pulled these colors from. It's coming in the future. But you have your normal 12 sheets. This is color 50, which I think is fun. The rainbow is 50 because I love rainbow. So it comes like in the same 12 sheets. You could buy them individually, or there is a buy all option that has a slight discount. This is available Wednesday through Sunday. And yes, so cute. And you could see like these are the ones that were released this week. And then I think that there's a couple that moved on to sheet number 13 because we're always working on new sheets to add to that line. Then let's get on to the kits this week. So we have one new exclusive art. So I'll show you that one first. And this is called Vegas. It's been very requested to do a Vegas kit. And I feel like a lot of the Vegas kits I've done in the past are like darker. But I thought doing a like more pastel, cutie kind of vintage inspired Vegas would be really cute. This is perfect for like bachelorette trips, or like if you just live in Vegas, if you're going on a vacation or whatever. I just think it's so cute. It kind of has party vibes, but also just kind of general Vegas vibes. You have the slot machine, you have kind of like the outfits, the pool, like the drinks, the chips, and then I love the double box. Probably one of my favorite ones. Like it's a top 10 like double boxes. I think this is so cute with the friends, with the Vegas sign, with like the skyline in the background. I think it's adorable. And I love these colors. I think they're so pretty. Foil-wise, I'd either do silver or maybe hollow or sparkly hollow. You have the night, which would be really cute to do like under that double box. Do this one. Oh, I love that, but it's so, so, so pretty. But I think like a hollow would be really, really cute with this. Or if you had like the sparkly green and like a sparkly pink foil. It's just such a cute kit. And then you have like the pattern there and the hands holding the cards. Obsessed. And then the freebie and the ultimate mini is the hands holding the cards and the different skin tone options. All of the kits this week, of course, come in an ultimate kit and a mini kit. And let me show you the add-on options for this kit. And this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. So you do have the ombre if you want to add it on, the functional, the label 2, which is a red. There is a lot of red elements throughout, and I think the red would pop. Actually, you know what? I think I'll use red foil with this. I do want to plan a Vegas trip eventually because I really do love Vegas for like a quick like little friend trip. Maybe me and Kane will go to Vegas. But I think a red foil bundle would actually be super fire with this. Okay, I'm using red with this. Oh, I bet you Hannah has some cool underlays. Maybe like, I wonder if she has any like cards like the heart, the spade, and diamond, and clover. What is it called? Y'all know. But I think a red foil bundle would actually be really pretty with this. I think it'd be like iconic. You have the doodles. There's also the extra boxes. So there's another scene. This kind of makes it more party vibes. So you have like the table for the party and all the balloons and then the cake with the cupcakes and then the cookie tray. And then there is also fashion options as well, which are so cute. And then obviously you do have the fashions in there as well, which are adorable. I just love them in general. So that is Vegas, and I hope y'all like it. I just feel like it's a good one to have on hand because I feel like Vegas is just so fun. So there's that one. And then moving on, continuing in the party vibes, this is Birthday Queen, and I am so excited for this kit. So I saw that this artist, City Hyper Designs, was releasing this art, and I texted Maggie because Maggie does use this artist a lot, and I was like, hey, like what color are you using? And she's like, I'm using the purple, and I was like, yes, I'm using the rainbow. I am so excited because I love rainbow, and I think that this would look so pretty with the rainbow foil bundle. Let me see if I have one. I think that obviously it would look good with like, this is one of those ones that I feel like there's so many color options. It's kind of insane. Like what you could do with it, but I think personally it's like a moment to use rainbow foil. Like, oh, there's Hannah's too. Like it is a moment to use rainbow. It is. It's just, there's not enough moments to use rainbow in my opinion. So I feel like if there's one that's just like, you know, it's hitting you in the face. This needs rainbow. But I feel like if you wanted to go, you could do silver. You could do the silver and the sparkly hollow. You could do hollow and sparkly hollow. You could go really fun with the foils and do like a hot pink and a blue. You could do a green and an orange. You could do a purple and a black. You could do black with this too. You could do rainbow and black. It's one of those kits that it's asking to be purchased just to experiment with the foil. And I really loved this art, but like once I like had all the art, was like looking at all the elements, I'm like, I want to use this for my birthday because it is so cute. The idea behind this was it was made as like a birthday, but also could be switched out to be like New Year's. So you could kind of use it either way. Personally, I am using like a different New Year's kit and I'm using it for my birthday because I think it's so stinking cute. I might actually also pick up the other version from Maggie as well, just to save as like a future birthday kit because I just think that it's just so stinking cute. The freebie and the ultimate mini is the different skin tone options for the like leg box. But I just love everything, and everything's sparkly. I feel like this also gives me like Jessica vibes with like the rainbow and the sparkles and like everything. I just think it's so fun. And I loved this like with the black. Like I think having black like throughout here just made the like other colors pop, and I'm just obsessed with it. I love the jewels. I love the bouginess. Like you have the Balenciaga bag. You have all the fun like makeup-y items down here. You have like diamonds throughout and jewels and disco balls and Louis and Bordar Goodman. Is that how you say it? I don't even know. Like a pile of like diamonds and like the Chanel pancakes. I just think it's so cute. This is also another one. Like I do think like the sparkly black, I think it comes in sparkle. Would be really cute as well because it would really pop specifically would pop against the glitter header page. Like imagine black on top of that would be everything. But honestly, I think I'm doing rainbow. I think it might be one of those kits. I'll show you in a minute, but let me get through it before I start blabbing. But I'm pretty sure I'm doing rainbow. I might pull in black. Maybe I'll do like rainbow with like black bougie on top and then do black icons. We will see. We have the extra box there. I did the black. Even though black's not one of the colors, I did black here because I figured if you did rainbow, that would be like epic. But also if you do any foil color, it's going to be popping against that black. So I love it. So that is the ultimate kit. As you can tell, I am very enthusiastic about this kit. And like I said, I'm pretty sure unless something like fantastic comes out for birthdays, which obviously January Mystery is always a birthday, but I'm using it for next year for Lila's birthday. But I like everyone I've told has like a spot for January Mystery. They're like, oh, I'm using that for this because it's so good. But I think that this just gives me my birthday vibes, or it's just like what I aspire to be. There is so many extras. I think this is the most add-on options that I've done thus far, because when I was doing the listings I was like, I don't even know how to format this. So it's you could add on the doodles, you could add on the functional, there is the ombre and the label, then there is label 2, so you got the blue throughout. I just really liked this color combo for the 4, but I think I'm gonna for sure add in the blue. And then there's also version 3. I might actually did these wrong on the listing, so I might want to re-look at those. I'm gonna take a picture so I remember. But yeah, I think this might be a kit that I grab 2 more of these and then do the thing with the black headers with the rainbow on top. I haven't decided because I think it's gonna depend on how much of the rainbow I use versus how much of the black I use, and if that's what I do. But I think I need to grab 2 more of these, and then I think I'm gonna do, I was thinking about doing color blocking, but I think I just might mix it together because I want the rainbow to look like an explosion, and I'm just obsessed with that. There is also an extra box sheet for this one too, which kind of gives me more New Year's vibes. So you have the puppy, you have the press for champagne, Happy New Year with the champagne bottle and glass, and then the Prosecco palm with the pong, and the hangover cure, and then the princess juice with the clock. I personally don't drink, but this is really cute. And then there is also fashion options. So you have the tall box here and then the 2 fashions. I think it'd be so fun because all of these fashion options are so different to pick this. And it's kind of like a really cute girls night. But there's also fam options. So the fam options also have a tall box and then 2 regular boxes. I love this hand holding the ice cream. And then the difference between here, this is actually gray hair, which I think is so fun. And I just love these 3 are my favorite thing ever. I just think that they're so stunning. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's fam options, fashion options, and then there's the fashion in the kit, which breathtaking. Okay, so that is Birthday Queen, which I obviously am obsessed with. And then last, oh no, just kidding. It's not last, but it's the last kit is Legally Fabulous, which I love Legally Blonde, and I just had to just whip up this kit with this art. I think it is so cute, and I love the colors. I'm probably going to save this for summer, but I think another one, that foil options are endless. You could do a hot pink and an orange, which would probably be my pick, but there's also the purple in there, or you could even do a black to kind of make all of those pop. You could stick with just silver, you could stick with just gold, you could do a mixed metal, you could do the gold and silver mixed metal luxe. You have the little manicure, the bags, and these colors are just so fun and screaming summer to me, or May vibes. And then you have the extra box here, which is a little bruiser with this little bed. And then you have the 15 millimeters there, date covers. And then the Freebie and Ultimate and Mini is L with the school behind her. Is it the school or sorority? I think it's the school. But so cute. Love these colors. Every time there's a bright color kit, I think of Chan Plans. So cute. So it does come in a mini, and then you have the doodle if you want to add it on, the functional. You have the ombre label 2, which is the hot pink. I definitely would pull that in. Then you also have the fashion options, which just says Elwood Bruiser 24. So cute. And then you also have the extra boxes here. I think this would be fashion too, because you have the hand in here. So it's hard with the little graduation cap. This would be really cute graduation kit. And then you have the little poster there as well. So that is Legally Fabulous. And then I do have 2 random things to add in. So I do have a monthly. So I have the B6 monthly here. Is this holiday prep, I think? Let me zoom out. So the first one here is B6. So these are sized to fit either the Print Impression B6 inserts, the new ones, the SBC version, or the Aura Estelle inserts. So that is the B6, and then I'll quickly flip through the A5 wide option as well. We do have all past, past Christmas monthlies available too. There's a lot on there. So that is the new Christmas monthly for this year. And then let's go in to a sticker pack. And this is for Seasons Creepings. I got so many messages about making this into a sticker pack because everyone really loved this art. I have decided I'm going to wait and use this art next year for Kirsten's birthday because Kirsten's birthday and Lila's birthday are not on the same week next year, which is rarely ever going to happen. So you have this in the back, which is just printed on photo paper. And then everything else is printed on our glossy sticker paper. So you could either use them as die cuts or you can remove the back and stick them. So you have the little books with the little sign on top. You have the Deadly Nightshade, the reindeer skeleton, the naughty stocking, the Night Before Christmas wreath, the black Christmas tree, like a ceramic light up thing, the Christmas presents, the ornament, etc. Lots of really little ones because I really couldn't decide and there was too many pieces there. But that is everything for this week. I feel like I've been releasing so much recently. I feel like it's just like we added Doodles and then we added characters and Scribblers and color of the week. And then you have your normal 3 kits and everything. And then it just starts to really add up. But y'all seem to be loving it. Also, don't forget about the foil bundle Destash if you want to pick one of those up. Those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Like I said, they are limited stock, and it is a really great deal to pick up some random foil bundles. I feel like foil bundles are very easy. Like, I could definitely use all of these foil bundles, so it's great to have on hand. So that is everything for this video. I hope y'all liked it, and I will talk to you in my next video.